Buongiorno paesani, tempo per un altro proverbio siciliano. Yes, time for another Sicilian proverb, and this is my way of keeping the dialect alive. Allora, il proverbio oggi è Cu camba cieco un può morire cavallo. Translation: who lives as a donkey cannot die a horse. In Italian we say chi vive come un asino non può morire un cavallo. The meaning of this proverb is it's like an old dog can't learn new tricks. So basically it's saying you are who you are and you can't change that. It's the core of your personality. And so this proverb really describes it, because if you're a donkey, you're going to die a donkey. If you're a horse, you're going to die a horse. So there you go. There's your Sicilian proverb for today. If you like my videos and you enjoy watching them, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Big Mama Siciliana. Learn Sicilian one word at a time. E come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo!